Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information. Which expression is equivalent to m to the fourth power, q to the fourth power, z to the negative first power times m times q to the fifth power times z to the third power, where m, q, and z are positive. So we have to simplify the product given over here. Okay, let me write the given expression, that is m to the fourth power, q to the fourth power, and z to the negative first power, and it has to be multiplied by m times q to the fifth power, z to the third power. Okay, so to find the product of this one, so I'm just going to consider the product rule of exponent. That is, let me multiply two terms, a to the nth power and a to the nth power. So here I multiply two terms, and for these two terms we have the same base. So whenever I multiply two terms with the same base, what I need to do is I have to take the base ones and add the exponents. That is m positive n. So now we have to apply this one here. So already the three terms over here inside the first parenthesis are multiplied, and the same thing, the three terms over here are multiplied inside the second parenthesis. So better we can remove the two parentheses and we can multiply the terms over here. So let me do it. So we can write m to the fourth power times q to the fourth power times z to the negative first power times m times q to the fifth power times z to the third power. Okay, so here this term and this term are having the same base, and this one are having the same base. So we can write the terms with the same base together. So we can write m to the fourth power times m. I have taken this one, and now I am taking q to the fourth power, and I am taking q to the fifth power. Now I am taking z to the negative first power, and then I am taking z to the third power. Okay, now, so here for this m, we don't have any exponent. So for any base, if there is no exponent, we have to assume there is exponent 1. So here we multiply two terms with the same base m. So we can use the product rule of exponent that we have discussed over here. So what we can do is for these two bases, we can take the base m once, and we have to add the exponent, that is 4 positive 1. And here we multiply two terms with the same base, so we can take the base q once, and we can add the exponent 4 positive 5. And the same thing for this one, we can take the base z once, and we have to add the exponent negative 1 and 3. Okay, now, so when I combine 4 and 1, I'm getting 5. And q to the power 4 positive 5 will become 9. Z to the power, when I combine negative 1 positive 3, I'm just getting 2. So the answer is m to the fifth power, q to the ninth power times z to the second power. So I find this stuff in option B. So the correct answer choice for this one is option B.